In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay locations for your 1998 through 2004 Ford Mustang. We'll also go over how to test both of these components. First, let's provide you with a brief overview of the components we're going to talk about in today's video. Here you see a picture of the fuel pump relay. This relay has two sides to it, a load side and a control side. We're going to be focusing today on the load side of the relay. There is a fuse that powers the load side of the relay that we're pointing to here with the purple arrow. That's the fuse we're going to help you identify, along with the fuel pump relay itself. In order to locate the power distribution box, open the hood. The fuse box is located on the driver's side. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. Here you see the location of the fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse. The fuse box diagram component number of the fuse is shown here in the picture. Here are some of the different types of fuses this vehicle's manufacturer uses across its vehicles. In order to determine what type of fuse you have, just compare it to the different fuses we have shown here. We'll drop some links down in the description below of where you can get some replacement fuses. Next, we'll show you how to use a multimeter to test the fuse. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. The fuel pump relay for this year range of vehicle is located inside the Constant Control Relay Module, or CCRM. This module contains multiple relays that are soldered to the module's printed circuit board. If you determine your fuel pump relay is bad, this entire module will need to be serviced or replaced. The CCRM for this year range of vehicle is located on the inner fender of the front passenger side. Remove the wheel and inner fender liner to access the CCRM. When it comes to testing the CCRM, we first recommend you get access to a quality set of electrical wiring diagrams for your specific vehicle. We'll provide you with some recommendations down in the description below. After familiarizing yourself with your vehicle's wiring diagrams, you can then test to verify the CCRM is receiving and outputting all the necessary signals related to proper fuel pump operations. If you need more assistance with testing this module, please see the related videos and playlists provided in the description below. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.